Biology Part 250. Chordates. Well, what is the origin of chordates? The chordates show a tremendous range of adaptation. Their body plan is very different from that of the arthropods. Just as versatile, its special features have resulted in the evolution of large dominant animals. They have got their characteristics and classification. They are notochord, hollow dorsal nerve cord, number 3, pharyngeal gill slits. So they are pharyngeal gills that they have, and they have got their classifications. They are shown in the figure in comparison with the birds and animals and their relation with human beings. Relationships between chordate groups, we found them with the conquest of land. Life on land is very difficult from life in water and requires effective solutions to many different problems. They need to have gas exchange system, so it is available in such a species, in such a group of species. And next we've got support for them, water loss, reproduction, and homostesis. Next we've got kingdom of Procystia to Algae. Algae are postosynthetic protists with the unicellular colonial and simple multicellular structure. Their cells are surrounded by cell walls. Their cytoplasm usually contains one or more large vacuoles. They pass the photosynthetic pigments enclosed in special organelles. Their reproduction is usually sexual and may involve the alternation in the generation between haploid or diploid individuals in the life cycle. Many different algae groups can be distinguished according to their structures and lifestyles. Chlamydomonas have got their own specific structure. Their reproduction is sexual. Reproduction occurs when the protoplast divides to form 2, 4, or 8, sometimes more than that, protoplasts inside the original cell. Then there is Spirogyra. It's got its own structure. The tangled floating masses of the Spirogyra are common in shallow, stagnant freshwater. We've got reproduction, life cycles of algae, and ulva. Ulva is the sea lettuce and common in the species on rocky structures. Fucus. Fucus is a bladder wrack, is a common British seaweed found abundantly in the intertidal region on all rocky shores. Its reproduction system and, of course, the reproduction structures called the conceptacles are located on the tips of the fronds. Ecological and economic importance of algae. They used for photosynthesis, for food, extracted substances, fertilizers, geological deposits, and algal blooms. Kingdom of fungi. Well, familiar fungi include the molds and the toadstools of the mushrooms and yeast. All these organisms lack the chlorophyll and are heterotrophic. Fungi do not ingest their food but release enzymes into their surrounding, causing the breakdown of the complex molecules into simple soluble substances which can be absorbed. Many fungi are saprotrophic, others are the parasitic, and they obligate the parasites which can survive only in the tissues of living host. Next we've got the Rhizopus, the saprotrophic fungus structures. and as we move along with it, there are structures of reproduction. There are Calviceps parasitic fungus. There are agaricus mushrooms